Member states of the Eastern Caribbean Supreme Court are burdened by significant case backlogs in their criminal justice systems. This has led to more people remaining on remand and lengthy delays dispensing of justice. The Eastern Caribbean Supreme Court and stakeholders convened at the Harbour Club to exchange ideas and develop strategies to address this issue. The United Nations Development Programme Peace Justice Programme is providing its support.
We have delivered critical equipment to key criminal justice agencies across the Ecsc, supporting courts, police, prosecutors, forensic services as well, with the tools needed to operate more efficiently. Our recently completed interoperability assessments in Antigua and Barbuda, Dominica, and St. Lucia will pave the way for the launch of modern case management systems and software solutions to enhance interagency coordination and improve the movement of cases through the system. We are also working with several countries on legislative reform to modernize outdated frameworks, and we have launched an innovative Attorneys General Roundtable, a platform designed to strengthen regional dialogue, alignment, and collaboration on justice sector priorities.
Acting Chief Justice, Her Ladyship Margaret Price Findlay, stated that the issue has constitutional and moral implications. She asserted that the guarantee to a trial within a reasonable time must not be merely aspirational.
Each file that lingers unresolved is much more than a statistic to be accounted for in the ECSC's annual report. It is a human story, adding to the public's ever-mounting loss of faith in the criminal justice system. When justice is delayed, people's rights are impinged, their lives are disrupted, and confidence in the rule of law is diminished.
Attorney General Leslie Mondesi outlined several projects that the government has undertaken and plans to implement in the future to tackle the case backlog.
I also learned on Saturday, October 4th, crews poured concrete for the foundation of the building that will house the criminal courts. I personally drive there all the time to see what is going on, so Mr. Walters and others in the criminal defense bar will not be putting pressure on me. So things are moving along with the Hall of Justice building. To assist in coordinating the implementation of the criminal cases backlog reduction, a technical working group has been established comprising members of the Eastern Caribbean Supreme Court, including the presiding judge in St. Lucia, the Ministry of Justice, including the Crown Prosecution Service, Registrar of High Court, Legal Aid, and the Magistracy, the Bordelais Correctional Facility, and the Royal St. Lucia Police Force. Collaboratively, the working group has taken steps to reduce the backlog through identifying issues and taking steps to provide IT equipment training and building legal capacity in the court system.
According to the United Nations Development Programme Peace Justice Programme, young males disproportionately bear the impact of these backlogs, with the vast majority of those on remand being males between the ages of 18 and 35 years. The program advocates for technological upgrades, mediation, digitalization, and improved collaboration among various agencies to mitigate the conflicting approaches that contribute to the backlog. Gina Filippi, HDS News Force.